Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro to the River 2017 Foton Tunland, stock number 6593. It's ran from the 10th 2012 to the 12th 2020. It has a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre. Front bonnet, left front door mirror, left front door 4 dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, left rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door 3 dents, right front door 3 dents, right front door mirror, right front guard 1 dent, right front 17-inch factory aluminium tyre, right front headlight needs polish. Right front door code, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light for sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,